We will talk about conductance. What is conductance? Conductance is defined as ease with which a current flows through the electrolyte. जो तो कोई भी electrolyte right current conduct करता है तो वो जितना current conduct करता है that is named as basically conductance. So ease with which current flows through the electrolyte is named as conductance. Now न्यूमेरिकल से विच जो आप यूज करेंगे एक्सप्रेशन करंट इज इक्वल टू 1/r. व्हाट इज r हियर? रेजिस्टेंस. And what is the resistance? That is defined as, in your previous classes you have already learnt about this, obstruction to the flow of current. जो इलैक्ट्रोलाइट जो करंट फ्लो हो रहा है ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਰੁਕਾਵਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਪੈਦਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਰੁਕਾਵਟ ਉਹਦੀਆਂ ਲੇਅਰਸ ਪੈਦਾ ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਹਨ. obstruction means ਰੁਕਾਵਟ. ठीक है. तो obstruction to the flow of current of the electrolyte or through the electrolyte is named as resistance, and that is always denoted with capital R. ठीक है. So that is resistance and its units are ohms. ठीक है. So ਇਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ units ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ that is ohm. ठीक है. और जो कंडक्टेंस है वो आप की पढ़िया है. कंडक्टेंस इज इक्वल टू 1/resistance. ठीक है. उल्टा रेजिस्टेंस का उल्टा दैट इज कंडक्टेंस. ठीक है. तो रेजिस्टेंस के यूनिट्स की सी अपने को ओम, तो इट मीनस ये यूनिट्स की हो जाएंगे ओम इनवर्स, और दैट इज ऑल्सो नेम्ड एज ओम इनवर्स. उल्टा हो गया. ओम वाज OHM एंड दैट इज MHO, दैट इज मो. ठीक है. और यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज इट्स यूनिट्स एज साइमंस, कैपिटल S. सो दैट इज साइमंस, capital S. So that was ohm, OHM, that is ohm inverse, and it becomes mho, MHO. ठीक है. So conductance is ease with which the current flows through the electrolyte, that is conductance, and conductance is 1/resistance. And what was the resistance? Obstruction to the flow of the current is named as resistance. Its units are ohm, so that's why units of conductance will be there mho or Siemens or ohm inverse. Next we will talk about conductivity. What is conductivity? That is also named as specific conductance, and that is denoted with kappa. ठीक है. Kappa is inverse of resistivity. Now just like resistance there is a resistivity. What is resistivity? That is named as specific resistance, that is presented with rho. ठीक है. So that is named as specific resistance or resistivity. What is resistivity? Resistivity is actually R multiplied by A/L, because we know very well the resistance is directly proportional to L/A, right? Cell constant. So that is L/A ਦੇ directly proportional है, और proportionality sign ਨੂੰ ਹਟਾਉਣ ਲਈ we use here rho L/A. What is rho? That is resistivity. And what will resistivity here? R multiplied by A divided by L. ठीक है. तो that is resistivity is equal to R multiplied by A/L. What is R? That is resistance. What is A? A is named as area of cross section here. Area of cross section, and its units are generally meter square or centimeter square. ठीक है. So what is L? L is actually length, or basically the distance between the electrodes. Distance between the electrodes. Electrodes से between कितना distance है, that is named as L. ठीक है. और that is also named as length. ठीक है. So electrode, so its units are generally centimeter or meters. ठीक है. They depend upon the SI or CGS units. So अगर एरिया सेंटीमीटर है तो लेंथ भी सेंटीमीटर होएगा, अदरवाइज वो मीटर्स होएगा. ठीक है. तो दैट इज रेजिस्टेंस यूनिट्स पर ओम, and area units are centimeter square, and what are the units of distance or length? That is centimeter. तो कैंसिल हो गया, that is ohm centimeters. ठीक है. तो what are the units of resistivity? That is ohm centimeter. Now to define resistivity, if we take here an electrolyte or electrolytic solution whose length is 1 centimeter, or whose electrodes are apart 1 centimeter length, ठीक है, or 1 centimeter distance. So if L is equal to 1 centimeter and area of cross section of the solution is basically 1 centimeter square, right? So what is this? R rho will be equal to R. So resistivity will become equal to resistance. Means resistance or resistivity is actually the obstruction to the flow of the current of the electrolytic solution which has 1 centimeter square area of cross section and 1 centimeter of length. Means that is the resistance of 1 centimeter cube, because area multiplied by length, that is volume na. So that is 1 centimeter cube of the solution, electrolytic solution, right? So that is named as resistivity. What was resistance? That is just obstruction to the flow of the current. And what is resistivity now? That is the resistance of 1 centimeter cube of the solution, right? तो नेक्स्ट अपने को लिए है कंडक्टिविटी. नाउ कम अपॉन कंडक्टिविटी. व्हाट वाज कंडक्टिविटी? स्पेसिफिक कंडक्टेंस. Specific conductance is denoted with kappa. Kappa is inverse of, now conductance is inverse of resistance and conductivity is inverse of resistivity, right? तो resistivity अपने को लिए जड़ा है that is R multiplied by A upon L. So what will be specific conductance here? Kappa. Kappa will become equal to, that is specific conductance, ठीक है? Or conductivity will become equal to 1 upon rho, means that will be equal to 1 upon R multiplied by A multiplied by L. So it will become L upon R A. R is resistance, A is area of cross section, and L is basically the centimeter length or length of the electrode. Okay, so that is kappa is 1 upon rho, L upon R A, that is specific conductance, and its units are basically that will become equal to inverse of resistivity है ना. तो what were the units of resistivity? Ohm, centimeter. So its units will become ohm inverse, centimeter inverse, or you may also write here mho centimeter inverse, or you can also centimeter Simon centimeter inverse. So that is named as kappa. Okay, kappa is 1 upon resistivity. Conductivity is inverse of resistivity, and conductance is the inverse of resistance. Conductance is inverse of resistance, right? Next we will talk about Muller conductivity. Muller conductivity. Muller conductivity. What is Muller conductivity? Muller conductivity is actually defined as the conductance of the ions, produced by 1 mole of the electrolytic solution. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਲਾਈਟਿਕ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ 1 ਮੋਲ ਜਿਤਨੇ ਆਇਨਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕਿਤਨੀ ਕੰਡਕਟੈਂਸ ਸ਼ੋ ਕਰਦੇ हैं, that is named as molar conductivity. Molar conductivity is defined as the conductance of all the ions produced by 1 mole of the electrolytic solution, ठीक है? And the molar conductivity sign is this. Molar conductivity is equal to kappa multiplied by 1000 divided by concentration in molarity, right? Kappa multiplied by 1000 divided by molarity, that is named as molar conductivity, and its units are generally Simon meter square per mole. Its units are Simon meter square per mole. Simon meter square per mole, that is named as molar conductivity.